Hi guys, so today I'm gonna recreate Alia Bhatt's Star Screen Awards look, which was this one. And the look she's carrying is pretty awesome and it's quite elegant. So I'm gonna recreate, which is pretty simple, and I think it's gonna be done in few quick steps. So let's get into it. Since I don't have a color corrector, like the one which I had is over now, so I'm gonna use my orange lipstick to correct. Orange color corrector is used for those areas which are darker on your face, like pigmentation, dark circles. So now let's put the foundation, but not on the areas where I've color corrected it, because on those areas I would actually use the concealer only. One more thing, that I haven't used my color corrector on the upper lids because I want to give a natural look. So I'm using this concealer, which is one lighter shade to my original shade, because I use this to highlight my under eye area. To highlight your under eye area, you actually need to have one lighter shade than your original shade. So I conceal with my original shade and now I'm highlighting. Since I only want to give the dewy look, so I would only use browns. I've used lighter for the inner corner and the darker one for the outer. Make sure you blend it so that it doesn't look a lot. Since Alia Bhatt applies a lot of kajal, so that's why I'm putting a thin layer of kajal, because I don't want to smudge my eyes, and a thin layer of eyeliner. For lipstick, I'll be using two, this gloss and orange lipstick, because she's using a gloss one.